Okay, what's going on, guys? Aiden here, and today I'm going to be making a vlog.
Hi.
Here's Dominic, right here. We are walking my dog. So yeah, look at that. Zoom, zoom. Okay. So, do you want to bomb rush it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Look at this Vegeta Blue.
Vegeta Blue. We got him from the store. Oh, show them the other Vegeta. Here's the other Vegeta. Oh, Ultra Instinct. That. The last video when he screamed so loud, and then there's Vegeta. Hey, hey Bella. That's our dog's name, Bella. So we're gonna bomb rush it. Ah! Bella.
Bella? How old is she?
We don't know. Yeah.
Alright. Bye guys.
Oh wow. We got scared for there for a moment.
Yeah, it's Bella.
Yeah. After this we're gonna walk one more back and I'm gonna end a little bit of my vlog. So here's my house. If you can see it, can wait, let me turn on my brightness up. Right there. I know you guys can't see it much. Oh crap! He's already running off. Dominic. Oh, here it is. So here's my house with a van and a Tahoe and a truck like that. Okay, let's go catch up to Dominic. And sorry if I'm doing it. I'm just holding my tablet. All right. Zoom in. All right. There's Dominic over there. All right, there's nothing there. Let's go. Sorry if the wood is there. Huh? Bro, can't you see us making the vlog? I was showing off their house, my house.
But we're walking back then.
Huh?
We're walking and then we ran.
Guys, we're scared of this right here. I'm just gonna scream and hold my tablet. Hello? Hello? Okay. Bro, you have to buy new ones in. All right, let's go. Oh, my ankles! Yep. So this is kind of my face. I think you could see it. Dom, can they see it? My face? Can they see my face?
Yeah.
It's kind of black here for me. All right, let's go. Bella. She's not properly trained.
I want to live in here.
And that kind of house, yeah. But what about Andrew?
Look at the dog.
Huh?
Look at the dog.
And Evan?
Yeah, he's over there.
Oh yeah. Who else do we have? Okay, that's all. Isaiah?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, look at
Dom, come on. Okay. Putting my thing down because I don't want that car to see. It's a car, so I don't want it to see us. There goes Dominic. Alright, let's go. vlogging. You end your vlog. Alright. So I might end it right here then. So I'm going to see you guys later. Peace. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.